Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Today, our focus is on the explanation of the continuity theory of aging developed by sociologist and gerontologist Robert Atchley in 1989. The continuity theory suggests that aging people continue living in ways that are consistent with their past experiences, habits, and identities. Instead of seeing aging as a time of drastic change, this theory argues that people stay true to who they've always been. The continuity theory looks at aging from internal and external views. Internal structures are a person's identity and sense of self, and these stay consistent throughout their life course. External structures include a person's social relationships, their social networks, and their social roles, and all of these act as their support systems throughout the aging process. For example, a person who does not volunteer during their younger years will not do so in their older years, and vice versa. A person who was always social and active in their younger years will likely continue being social and active as they age. They might join clubs, volunteer, or travel. A person who lived a quiet, introverted life may continue preferring calm routines rather than suddenly become outgoing just because they're older. The continuity theory is rooted in the functionalism perspective. Functionalist sociologists view society like a system in which every part has a role contributing to the social stability of the system. The continuity theory aligns with functionalism because there is a focus on maintaining social roles and equilibrium. As people age, they adapt to the social environment. The way someone approaches life doesn't drastically change with age. If a person tends to be ambitious, creative, or independent, they will likely stay that way as they grow older. In this sense, there are not drastic changes, and this maintains societal social order. For example, a retired teacher might continue tutoring or mentoring students. Social connections remain, and instead of withdrawing, older people keep relationships stronger and often deepen their community involvement. Many older adults keep working past retirement age, not because they must, but because they enjoy it. Continuity theory challenges ageist stereotypes that assume older people are unable or not interested in staying active. It also highlights the importance of maintaining purpose, whether that's through work, hobbies, social activities, or lifelong learning. However, criticism of this theory is that it only focuses on healthy individuals and does not consider the aging process for people with health issues and how society supports the aging people in society. Still, this theory reminds us that aging doesn't mean losing one's identity. Rather, it's about continuing with what makes life meaningful. People plan on being engaged, connected, and fulfilled in later years of life, and this contributes to social order in society. And that makes sociology worth exploring further, don't you think? Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to explore next. Let's keep the conversation going and our community growing. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.